SL, right now, I'm asking you a question. Is chess matrimony a good idea? What do you think?
It is a refreshing experience. I mean,
मन में लड्डू फूटा.
I have never.
Refreshing experience.
Yeah.
I like that term very much.
Yeah. I mean.
मौसम तो ऐसा लग रहा है दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो रहा है. बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
Yeah. The chess players are mostly introverts, but still some are there. And like, for example, another introvert here.
Oh, we have Nihal also. Nihal, what?
किया ये क्यों किया? What a song, baby song by Normax Sound DJ Max. Yo yo, बुरा बच्चन जी. मेरे महबूब.
What do you think? Is it a good idea?
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Yeah, is it?
It's interesting.
Yeah. So the idea is that it's a in a chess field. If let's say you are looking for a girl, and if the girl also registers, she also loves chess players and all that. Then you can try to see if you can get into a long-term
Our
relationship.
job becomes much easier.
But it's not a but it's not a dating website. It's a like serious website. Yeah. Divya, what do you think? Is chess matrimony a good idea or not? No? Why?
Because she shouldn't need it.
Vaishali has already given an answer. But Divya, come on, do you think for everyone also? No, like right now, your problem is sorted. But can you just share like whether two chess players should get married? What do you think about this?
What do you think about this?
No, they should not. Something is very funny. What exactly it is?
She was not ready for this.
Yeah. Okay, what do you think? What in general is your opinion? First, I have two questions. Number one is, two chess. I'm going there. I am going there also. Okay, first I will ask him. Suppose another question. Two chess players getting married. Is it? Do you think it can be a good idea or a bad idea?
Bad idea.
Bad idea. Why?
Why? Already frustrated with chess, yeah? Like, I mean, so much chess, you need some different perspective on life, yeah? So if you marry someone and just analyze the lines, I mean, okay, that's the fun, yeah?
Okay, I get your opinion very much. What about you?
I have to agree with you.
You have to agree. Oh, Divya, now I'm coming to you. What do you think? Two chess players.
Bad idea.
Bad idea.
Yeah. Okay, start.
Okay, Divya doesn't want to. But why do you think that two chess players? That's what actually Sagar had asked Arjun. Like two chess players will continuously discuss the lines. We have Ramesh sir over here who is married and a chess player.
Started talking lines to me. I was so annoyed.
They both think that marrying a chess player is a bad idea because the only thing you do is discuss chess variations.
It's up to both of you, not just you, not just her.
So would you say that it can be a?
No, I would think on the contrary. It's for a chess player, it's ideal to marry a chess player if it is possible. But do we have enough beautiful girls for this wonderful boys? Is the question.
That is the
Cheta
question.
is in the market for many years now, quite unsuccessfully. I wish he will find what he is looking for soon.
What are you looking for?
Just trying to improve my game and, you know,
Oh my God! But we have got from the most prestigious coach over here saying that it's a very good idea it's ideal actually to marry another chess player. So guys, you really need to think about your opinions. But firstly, I'm very happy that you are supportive of this idea.
No, we didn't say that.
No.
It's interesting, refreshing.
You will be the first one to register on the website. No, you'll be the first one and you will be the second one. Okay.
You are first now. It's okay. You take first.
Okay, join first. But I will start and you will actually register. Yeah. At least come on, encourage me for that.
Yes, fine.